Welcome to Condense. In this short guide, we'll walk through how you can manage your organization details within the Condense app. First, navigate to Settings and select the Organization Details section. Here, you can view and edit your organization's name. Simply click on the name field to update it. Please note, if you attempt to use a name that already exists in the system, Condense will prevent this change to ensure organization names remain unique. You can also easily copy your organization ID from here by clicking the Copy icon button, handy when sharing details or integrating with other tools. That's all it takes. You've successfully updated and managed your organization details. If you have questions or need assistance, our support team is always available to help.